In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your X account and age in 2026 with this full guide. To get started, open the X app on your phone or go to the X website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one profile. This will help you avoid changing or verifying the wrong account by mistake. After you're logged in, the next step is to head into your account settings. If you're using X on the web, look for the More option in the menu. If you're on mobile, tap your profile icon instead. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. This is where X stores all of the important options related to your account, privacy, and personal details. Inside Settings and Privacy, select your account, or in some cases you may see account information. The wording can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the app or the website, and sometimes it can also look a little different if the platform has recently updated its layout. Either way, you're looking for the section that contains your core account details. Once you're in the right area, check whether your email address is already marked as verified. This is an important part of confirming your account information, and it can also help with security and account recovery later on. If your email is already verified, you're in good shape and can simply confirm that the status is up to date. If your email is not verified yet, select the option to send a verification email. After that, open your inbox and look for the message from X. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and also check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. When the email arrives, open it and click or tap the verification link inside. This link is what confirms that you have access to the email connected to your X account. After completing that step, return to X and check your account information again to make sure the email now shows as verified. That's the full process. Verifying your account information is a simple but important step, and it helps keep your profile more secure and properly set up. If the verified status doesn't update immediately, try refreshing the page or closing and reopening the app. With that done, your X account should now show the updated verification status.